Today we're 3D printing this cute caterpillar. And this is a print-in-place caterpillar that you can print off in either one piece, or you can also print off the eyes, which you can attach on. I recommend reducing the eyes down to 99%, because I think they're a little bit too close in overall tolerance. I went ahead and I added some black gloss to the eyes to give them a nice little pop when you look at them and get some good reflections back. And that's all I did for this. So this is a very quick, easy to print. It is lovely. You could scale it up quite a bit if you wanted to, but I think the size it comes in is gorgeous and it really does come across incredibly cute. So there is our glossed up eyes, looking brilliant. And we're just going to go ahead and attach them. And you'll see that I had a little bit of issue getting these to go in and stick. So I do recommend bringing them down in scale, because otherwise they're just a little bit too close, I think, in overall size. So yeah, but once you get them in there and get them stuck, they are pretty much perfect. There is a version of this with the eyes already intact if you want to go ahead with that version instead. So there is just a single print in place. And of course, this whole thing is articulated, so the whole thing moves and looks great. It actually would make an amazingly good little children's toy, I think. But yeah, it looks brilliant. Gorgeous little design. Simple, but very nice. And the back moves in all the orientations, so side to side, back and forth. It really moves quite beautifully. So yeah, that is a very cute caterpillar and very nice to make. There's a link in the description below to the original designer's files, which are free if you want to go give this a go yourself.